Hey guys, so today I'm gonna take you with me to Home Depot. I accidentally saw an ad for their weekly sales and I saw that they have perennials on sale, so I am going to go look and see what I can find. I am not looking for anything specifically, but who knows, maybe I'll find something cute. These right here, you guys, are limelight hydrangeas. These are huge. I don't need any more limelight hydrangeas in my garden. But my parents, they mentioned several times how much they love the blooms of the hortensias, of the hydrangeas. So what I'm going to do is that, I don't know, they look a little bit sad to me. They look like they're struggling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to somebody in this department, in the garden department, and then hopefully I can get a discounted price or something. I don't know. All I can do is ask, right? You guys, I talked to someone in the garden department about the condition of the hydrangeas and if he knew when they will be on sale, if they will be on sale, and he just told me, you know what, if you want them, they're $12 a piece. So I got 3 huge limelight hydrangeas. Yes, they're a little bit sad, but for next year, you know, they'll be coming back beautifully. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, and I got a bunch of stuff that it's on clearance, and they have perennials for $12 or something like that. Gosh, I'm so excited. These are not for me, you guys. These are for my parents' home, and they're going to love all of these colors they're gonna be getting next year. Okay, so now that we're back, let me show you what I got. They had a sale. They had smaller and a few selection of perennials on sale for I think there were 3 for $12, so $4 each, and I got 3 of these guys. Where's the tag? Right here. This one is a whatever daisy. I think it gets pretty tall, and I am confident that they will work well where she is. Hopefully they come back next year for her. And I got these coneflowers that my mom absolutely loves these coneflowers, and they don't really have a specific name. They just, coneflowers. They get tall as well, and they look okay to me. I mean, this one is dead already. I'm going to give them some water, and I'm going to keep them on the shade for a little bit. These ones right here, you guys, these are the ones that I got for sale. They're looking pretty sad, I'm not gonna lie. I paid $3 for each. They just need water. I mean, I would like to see us not eating and not drinking and looking pretty hot. They just need a lot of water, and what I'm going to do is, instead of trying to water them like I will do any other container, I'm actually just going to get a big container where I'm just going to fill it up with water and then leave them in put these containers in the water for like a few minutes until they absolutely soak everything possible, and they will be fine. They're just poor things. So look at that. These are the hydrangeas that I got for $12 each, you guys. I would say that was a pretty good deal. Yeah, this container is huge. I believe this is maybe like a 5-gallon or 2-gallon, I don't know. Whatever size, it's huge. And the plants just look a little bit, I don't know, like they're struggling. But that's okay, because next year they will be coming back beautifully. And these are actually, they don't look that bad. They just need, let me just show you here. See that? They just need lots of love. But that's okay, because my mom will love on these next year and the future years. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for going with me to Home Depot. I love just finding good deals like this on plants, and even though they're not going to be for my garden, I'm just excited for these guys. So this weekend, it's Labor Day weekend. I hope that you have a great time with your family and in your gardens. Myself, I will be taking a break from working in my garden to work in somebody else's, so that's how it goes sometimes. All right, until the next video.